Daily English, day 14. So if you're watching this video, please know that there is a PDF file available with gap fill exercises and different activities. It's available from eflsongs.com. It's free. Just click, download. You're welcome to use it. Word bank. Seem, how, high, to, place, little, world, very. A-B conversation. Listen to the conversation, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. How was your weekend? Oh, very good. I went hiking at a place with high mountains. That sounds fun. I went to a small beach. I like that too. It seems peaceful. There was a little cafe nearby with great ice cream. Yum, we should go together next time. Great idea. Let's plan something soon. I'd love that. Listening script 1. So listen to the short story, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. I stood on a high hill and looked around. The world seemed so quiet and wide. There was a little wind and the sun felt warm. I thought about how lucky I was to be there. It was a very calm and happy moment. Listening script 2, comprehension. Listen and answer the comprehension questions. In art class, we talked about places around the world. Each student chose a country and drew something from it. The room was full of colour and life. Some pictures were small and others were very large. It was great to see how different each place seemed. Comprehension questions. 1. What subject was the class learning? 2. What did each student do? 3. What was the room filled with? 4. How did the pictures vary? 5. What made the lesson special? Also, if you like this kind of video, if you go to my channel on YouTube, my YouTube channel, you'll find a playlist called Daily English. So the Daily English playlist has videos like this one. You know, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 100, you know, it's going to be lots. Okay.